Hello everyone, today we'll use some handy gadgets to make a simple fan, which has speed control and oscillating function. In this experiment, one DC motor, one servo, and one rotary encoder module were used. Now let's look at the principle. When we rotate the rotary encoder, we get the digital quantity. By rotating left and right, this digital quantity can be increased or decreased. We read this digital quantity and convert it into 3 gears of the fan. The module also has a button which, when it is pressed, the oscillating function will be turned on until the next time it is pressed. This is the wiring diagram in this experiment. Connect the VCC of the rotary encoder to the 5V and A to pin 2, B to pin 3, S to pin 4. Connect the VCC of the DC motor to VIN, A to pin 11 and B to pin 10. Finally, connect the VCC of the servo to the 5V, pulse to A4. In order to show the oscillating function more clearly, we use some acrylic plates to demonstrate here. Next is the code. First, define the Arduino port we use this time. Define a variable to determine the speed and some flags. Then set the port as input or output, and define the servo port and initialization angle. The PWM function of the pin of the DC motor should be turned off, otherwise it will affect the operation of the motor. Then set the serial port baud rate to 115,200. First, use the function get rotary encoder to detect if there's any level changes of the pin A and B of the rotary encoder. The judgment is based on whether the current level and the previous level have changed. If a change occurs, that indicates we rotate the encoder. Then we make a simple judgment on this value to achieve the distinction of the speed. When the button is pressed, our flag will be inverted. The direction in which the motor rotates depends on the values of port A and port B. Since this module will cause inaccurate readings if it is added to delay, we use the simplest method of manual delay. This method is to add up a number repeatedly. If it is greater than the predetermined value, it will enter the function. In the function, we first clear this bit to 0 so that we can enter in the way we want next time, and then according to whether it has reached the limit to realize the oscillating function. This is all for this time. Thank you for watching.